Tired of juggling multiple bank accounts and losing track of your overall financial picture? Well, you're in luck. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to add external accounts to your Capital One online banking so you can see all your finances in one convenient place first. Open your web browser and go to the Capital One website and log into your online banking profile using your username and password. Once you're logged in, look for the menu options. These are usually located on the left side of the screen or at the top. Find and click on the Account Services or Profile and Settings section. The exact wording might vary slightly, but look for something similar. Within Account Services or Profile and Settings, you should find an option labeled Link External Accounts, Add External Accounts, or something along those lines. Click on it. Now, Capital One will ask you to search for the financial institution you want to link. Type the name of the bank or credit union into the search bar and select it from the list. You'll be redirected to a secure page where you'll need to enter your login credentials for that external account. That's your username and password for the other bank. This is a secure process facilitated by Capital One, so your information is protected. After entering your credentials, you might be asked to verify your identity through a security code sent to your phone or email. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. Once your account is verified, Capital One will begin linking the external account. This may take a few minutes. Once the process is complete, you'll see the linked account displayed in your Capital One dashboard, giving you a complete view of your finances. And that's it. You've successfully added an external account to your Capital One online banking. Now you can track your balances, transactions, and overall financial health with ease. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful financial tips and tutorials.